People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know.
Come to Landfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Blessed love and greetings, all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope the spiritual finds you all in the best of health. You don't know a health over wealth. Yeah, man, I want a blessed Sabbath, and I mean the 12th of December. Yeah, I think of my virgin birthday, you know. Big up Booker Road, Teddy. Long life, you see me? Yeah, man. Likewise, I don't know. Big up. Look at brother, you know. Marky on the birthday. Straight. Long life. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. We have a video for sure. That video, yeah, when me see it, I couldn't start laugh. You see me? Because the police, the man deal with the lawman, the police and soldier, them are weird. See, I see it circulating around. I'm going to tell you, so when you know your rights, yo! You see, but you don't know, Lionfoot is a man of peace and we respect the law. You know what I mean? But when the fire for burn upon the law enforcement officers, them, we burn the fire, but we still have to support them because they're on the front line of duty fighting crime. And you don't know, you see it. Yeah, so that video, yeah, the man them running from a yard, them level knock them just enter. Zine. And the man approach them with him knife in their man. So when I see the video, I say, wow, go on now. Man have him knife. Brother, you better be careful, you know. Until me announce that he is also a lawman who served the force and the country, Jamaica, for 20 odd years. Zine? So what you are going?
Yeah. What? Don't do that.
No, what are you saying?
No, me attempt to go. Police.
No man, you can't video. Video it! What you are saying? Video it, Jay.
Right, the reason why the police is on the premises.
Yeah.
And the members of the jury.
Video everything.
The member would have seen some suspicious movement. Seeing this young man moving to the side of the road.
Yeah.
Hence,
This is my son.
yes.
17-year-old.
This is the reason for being on
My
the
premises.
Yes.
No suspicious. What was your suspicion? What exactly?
The soldier
Uh-huh.
would have seen this young man,
Uh-huh.
stepped out and moved back in.
See there? Wrong person. Anyway.
Hence, Sergeant.
Anyway, now I ask you to leave my premises.
We have no problem.
Okay. I'm want to do it now. My children them. Police for 20 odd years. You understand? Senior you.
Yes.
You understand? I don't have no right to my premises. What kind of suspicious move you man move and go there some? No man. Anyway, we don't know who me is now. So you can step out and go on the merry way.
But for your police.
Because my premises unlawful.
What may I say? For your police.
Alright, Constable. What your name, Constable what?
Constable died.
Sorry, excuse me. I don't go through here.
Come on, Constable.
I'm his children, they learn in class.
Have your police.
Thank you. Have a good day. And next time you come here now, alright, don't walk in from my premises. For the whole town. What kind of suspicious movements? Let the man kill them go home. Alright, my viewers and subscribers. So basically, as I said, the man them running. Like them carry through the place. I don't know where it is, but I think it's somewhere in Mobile. If anyone watching this video or this vlog can correct me in the comment section, you know? Yeah, because I think I came across a comment, people saying Mobile, you know, Zozo and state of emergency, SOE. You see me? So anyway, the man them running upon the yard and say, yo, them spot somebody and move. That is some shaky movement. You see me? So the man come out and approach him and say, what's the matter? What are you doing in my yard? what's the reason for you to enter my premises? And the brother will come like him and lead the group, you know. Lead the force, you know, lead the army there. The gang there. I say, yo, well, one of me, he never can explain himself properly. You see me? But he say one of the man them see it like somebody step out and draw back. You see me? Draw him back. See the man draw him back and I say a dodgy move. Which, it can be true. It can be a dodgy move and it can also be a good move. You know, youths and them at the first instinct, them gonna see them and shock, you know? Yeah, so them go in the yard and the man say, this is my son. Blah blah blah, let me pick them here. Zine? The man say, no man, my youth, them are good youth, man. You see me? My boy, them are good citizen, decent citizen, was one of 17 years old. You see me? And the man say, yo, the man say, anyway, what's your name? Which is the right approach, ask them name, you know? Anyway, come out of my yard. My man stunned and dumb. Man could talk. The man said, but for your officer, when the man state him name and what rank he is in the force, and how long he must serve the force for, they're speechless. You see me? You see me, so the man said, but for your officer, you can't. The man just cut him off. The man said, come out of my yard. You see the man walk past him up in the gate and say, come out of my yard. Out of that. You see me? And next time when I come and knock, where a big embarrassment that, you know, a big style in that, you know. I know them police boy, you know, and soldier them say, oh, boy, the style, you know, style, bad man, okay? You see them as some young police, them and soldier them. You see me? And some of them head hot too, you know. So I know them walk away and say, boy, style, you know. And rest video gone viral now. You see me, my viewers and subscribers have to take that thing and laugh. But yeah man, you know, peace and love and unity. And when you think the police angle it in the right way, the man, the owner for the property, the police, off-duty police, comment in the comment section and let me know. You see me? Yeah man, comment in the comment section and let me know, my people, my viewers and subscribers. I find it funny still, you know? Yeah. Yeah. The viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, big up on yourself and I don't know if it was a normal citizen. Maybe they would have taken different action. Because you might talk about you're down to that something there. You know what, on camera. So the man said, no man, you can't video everything. Yeah, if it was a normal person, maybe they don't deal with him different or her different, you know? Yeah, but I'm glad it turned out that way there and them just come up for the premises and walk on, you know? Yeah man, my viewers and subscribers is another one from Lionfoot, you know, big up on the damn self. Peace and love, you know, enjoy the weekend. Yeah man, and remember, do some good today, you know. Eat right, drink right, think right. Blessed love. I'm out. From now on I'm gonna settle down. No more I'm gonna let you down. You could have run and left me but you stuck around. That's why me decide to stop fuck around.